Okay, we are still talking about why you need computer knowledge in today's society or business. If you try this trick out, it will work. If you have been operating your business the analog way, you need to learn computer. Then, when you learn computer, try as much as possible to do most of your transaction using digital means. If you want to send quotation, computerize it. Although you can take it to somebody to do it for you, but why not learn it your own way? Why not learn it yourself and make it happen? So computer is used in inventory taking and budget planning in any organization. If your children don't know computer, I've, I've already said this that in as much as this generation is concerned, is in as much as today's generation, the younger generation is concerned, this is computer age. So try and make your children learn computer from the comfort of their home, your home. They don't need to go to anywhere. With this training, the foundation, we will be able to furnish your children with every detail, every information, how to use any application, especially most the basic application that will help them navigate the computer world. So if your children don't know computer, there are analog. I'm not the one saying it. That is the truth. With computer, your children can learn online and become more intelligent than children who don't have access to computer. That is the truth. That is the truth. The information, in fact, the YouTube is another university. There is nothing you cannot get on YouTube. The problem is there are scattered. For you to uh, check and get them, you might research the next 5 years. You don't get solution solved immediately. So that is the reason when you see a course like this, that we arrange it, package it, digitize it and make it as a course, you have to run for it, and you will be able to have access to the course creator here immediately when you enroll. So with computer, your children can learn online and become more intelligent than children who don't have access to computer. So endeavor that your children are computer literate. You also, you have to be computer literate if you are in the business world. So as an SSCE holder with sound computer knowledge, you can choose to work for someone or work on your own business. Before I get admitted into the university, I was into ICT. So I don't have any regret. It pays off very well. So it was the major source of my income. I do many things in the IT world. So in as much as you want to navigate today's world of business, as an ancestry holder, you need to learn computer skill. So as a graduate with computer skill, you don't even need employment from anybody. That is the truth, and we will get to show you that. Even if most times when I watch people's courses, when I follow the way people teach, i I try to spot out the difference between people that maybe they don't understand. Maybe they are calling somebody to come and prepare the slide for them. But if you know computer as a graduate, you can teach anything online and make good money from it. You can become an instructor, train people on your area of calling, your own niche, and you will be making good money from the comfort of your home. With sound knowledge in computer, you can learn website design, and there is so much money. Even everybody tend to say, there's no money again in website design. Oh, na lie. You have not been able to make yourself available, visible. You have not been able to package yourself to the right audience. If you are, I'm looking presently, though I know how to design website, I'm looking for people who can assist me because the volume of work that is on my table don't allow me the time to really focus on web design. If I'm to be doing web design, I'll be getting quality contracts from companies that need the services of a website designer. One of our students told me that he got a contract to design a website about $1,800. $1,800 just to design a website. I don't want to go into the detail, but some graduates will say there's no job, there's no work. You are not able to create job for yourself. So with computer knowledge, you can navigate, learn website design, and with sound computer knowledge, the way you will be designing for people will be different from the way people who doesn't understand the intricacies, the basic foundation, how to use the computer effectively would design. So that is the opportunity that is available in the computer ICT world. So note, data is part of everyone's life in this 21st century. You need data. So this course is listed on our website on YouTube. So for you to access this course, you need data. So if you complain of data, that means you don't want to grow in today's world. If in this age you can't afford time and data, you need time, because most times you see opportunity like this, real rich information that can change your life, you are too busy working for somebody 8 to 8 without creating time to learn, to enrich your knowledge, so that even if you are working for somebody, you can be doing your side hustle. If any organization tell you not to do your side hustle, please resign. I'm the one saying it. In our company, we advise our staff, you work for us, but you can still do your side hustle, because there's no amount of money that will pay you that will be able to help you solve your financial needs, so that you don't steal from us. That's the reason. If you steal in our company, sack final. So because we have given you the opportunity to do your side hustle. So if in this age you can't afford time, I have to be very concerned about time, because some people are too busy to take their time, go through videos, do it 2 or 3 times. Each time I buy any course, I go through the videos more than 3 4 times, and it will become part and parcel of me. So you have to create time for this training, and you have to buy data to learn for your own future. Simple. You have yourself to blame. If you don't have money, do you complain to anybody? Well, if you have that grace to beg people for money, uh, the Lord is your strength. So continue begging. So if you can't afford your children computer and data to learn online, in addition to the conventional education they are attending, other children will other children whom their parents are able to do that will be smarter academically than your children. This is the truth. You cannot compare an analog child with a digital child. If you crucify me, you have to. So, but I'm trying to tell you the truth. This is a digital age. This is a digital age. Try as much as possible, expose your children to the act of computing, how they can access their information. There's nothing that you don't have find on the internet. There's nothing. So in addition to their conventional education, they go from morning to the time they come back, ensure that when they come, learn, try and ensure that they learn computer. It's a very nice foundation that you are building for them. So note, if you know computer, you can't be unemployed. This is for emphasis. If you finish following me in this foundation, this is just computer appreciation. We will talk about computer, Microsoft Word, how to use your Microsoft Word effectively. We will talk about how to use your PowerPoint effectively. I will be the course creator. I'm the one that will create this course. Those application that I'm going to mention, Microsoft Word out. I'm the one that will create appreciation. And if you know how to use your Excel, you know how to use your Corel Draw effectively. There's no just, and if you are still unemployed, I will advise you just buy a laptop. I will show you how to be employed from the comfort of your home. Don't write application for any job again. Just follow this computer appreciation. Take your time, understand what I will dish out here. After that, join computer, Microsoft Word, computer application. Understand computer application, understand Excel, understand PowerPoint, understand Corel Draw. Then tell me that you are unemployed, and I will tell you that I will give you something to do online. And unemployment will never smell your facility, your house again till the day you leave this world. You will be living on the internet and you'll be making money digitally. That is the essence of creating this course, because so many graduates are complaining that there's no job, there's no job. Why not go online? Why not monetize the skill that you have? Why not learn new skill? Why not? This is the best time to learn new skill and get out there and make things happen in the society. Use your computer knowledge, and you don't write application to anybody again. This information will certainly give you an edge over other people who are not opportune to get this information. And at the end of the day, we will try as much as possible to eradicate unemployment in this society.